Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, and this card is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, guys, Leos. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading after this general energy. So, if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys, after this reading. So, let's start with these cards. So, we have Alchemist of Spheres in reverse, the Star in reverse, and Nine of Spheres in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life situation. Maybe for some of you, you are seeing, maybe you don't know what you need to do. It may be you may feel stuck or something is blocking your vision. You don't know which is the right way to go. And maybe if you are making some important choices, something that is going to change your life's journey, maybe changing your job or moving to a different place, some important decisions, you should postpone it today, guys, Leos, because it may become an irreversible decision, these decisions. So you have to have that clarity when you are making some important decisions. So you need to take time, guys, Leos. That is what I see. So it may be something in your career or something to do in your personal life. But whatever it is, you have to wait for the right time, guys. This may not be the right time for you all. If you are thinking of some important changes in your life or some important decisions for yourself or for this person you love or for this love, so you have to be really careful. And there is someone or who is really a suspicious character. So this person in your work situation or this one may be from your personal life. This may be your person you love or someone in your family. They are very selfish and they are, what to say, um, trying to control you in some ways, and they are blocking your way or acting as an obstacle. So, whatever you are deciding, they are telling you something different or something suggesting you that your decisions are wrong. So they are trying to divert you in some ways, guys. You need to be really careful with this person. So maybe today you have realized your place, maybe for some of you, because of these trials, whatever problems you are uh, facing today, guys, Leos. You have reached maturity today and understanding, or this may be this person's energy. So they have reached maturity and a level of understanding, and they are trying to have a harmonious life, peace of mind, and happiness, because whatever our circumstances are, we should keep ourselves happy. So happiness brings more happiness in our life. So no matter what our situation is, we should learn to be happy, guys. That is what I see, guys, with these cards, Leos. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Ace of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your situation, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you or about this love. So maybe for some of you, if you are the similar energy, guys, just like what we have had with the previous cards, if you are making some important decisions, maybe you want to get engaged to them, get married to this person, or you want to start a family with them. Whatever decisions, important decisions that you are making, you need to think twice before going into that, or maybe this may not be the time to make that choice, guys. You need to wait. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Magician. So Leos, you have that inspiration, confidence, guys, in your situation, that strength and determination. And you know that you can do anything if you set your mind on it, guys. So that is the reading, Leos. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and meditate with these crystals. So whichever crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth, or someone is speaking the plain truth without any without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, the plain truth. And you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth, because a truth is always bitter. And maybe this person is honest, they have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished. But in the long term, this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth, and they will understand the worth of your love. And the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy, or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. Your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life, we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone. Maybe they have true love towards us and they have truthful intentions towards us and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears or whatever, maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of a possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.